president is going to be given the crown tomorrow.
What did he?
Celebrate. Our president is going to be given his crown.
His crown.
King crown. Crown.
I tell you something. Whoa. If Nesta Marley, Bob Marley, he come here when I was still a youth to make independence, and someone wanna come try and take it away from us. Nah,
Never.
Not do.
Never.
Not go nowhere. You go into a blind hole, a blind road. At the end, you just find darkness. A never-ending road of darkness for you.
Yeah. Saka, Muruda, you're saying that no one can take this independence from us.
How long have we lived?
33 years of independence.
Ganjan.
No, it's not 35 years.
33.
35.
35.
35 years.
man.
35 years. No, 35.
I met the president.
35 years of
Gutama.
independence.
35 years.
Yeah?
35 ruling party. Since
Yeah, Shawan to 2013.
1980 to 2013, how old is it? 35 years.
35 Shama.
35 years, man.
I don't think.
I'm under drugs, guys. 33.
It's bad. 33.
Babylon system ndio kukusenzesa isimosho yako. Kuramanda Babylon system.
I'd rather stay in the bush, man. The bush is better than the city life. The sun, it burns pollution heat, overstand. This is my senses, my inner sense, overstanding. This is not good sun. The sun over there in Caribbean, you can feel it, man. You can just be airy all day. All day, all night, especially if you have your woman, your empress.
Chimbotaura one shona, mfano zote ngomo shona.
Nini andikwani kutaura shona zvakanyanya.
Aukwani kutaura shona zvakanyanya.
Zvakanyanya. Andikwanise
kutaura shona zvakanyanya.
Andikwanise kutaura shona zvakanyanya. Tinoinzwa kuti Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang forever. Ever live.
But shona ndizvo. What do you speak? You speak English?
English, but Musangu, I'm
in fact, what are you in fact?
I'm
like American, Indian, Karate, what?
I'm Zimbabwean.
Yeah, Zimbabwe. But which time? Which time?
I was born 75. I was born in the golden year. From 75, 76, 77, 78, 79.
Ask the question about which type are you?
What type am
I? I'm a black and white color.
African thing.
Yeah.
It's an African thing. Now can take us. We are who we are. We'll stay the way we are. You refuse to be of what we are already. Yeah.
Johnny, what would refuse?
Babylon.
System.
Babylon system.
Shit steam.
Yeah, that's right.
But msanga novumira my headphones. It's Babylon system. My headphones.
Nzo abvumi. Nyati abvumi.
My headphones.
My headphones. Unoinzwa pumping headphones you on your and you.
Look at that.
Nekwe. The nekwe with the horns.
So now I'm opening msanga no my visa my headphones.
Huh? Like you see this now what I'm doing? Yeah.
Master, there's this issue. Can you say to our Mangingo? Can you go to...
Where is it?
No Puzastan. No Mama.
What's putting on pingos?
When you're putting this?
When I'm putting on this...
Yeah, go to the toilet and put the stand.
No woman? What you say?
He's saying, can you fist whilst putting your shirts?
No.
What?
Take out your shit.
Did I ever do that?
Nobody knows.
I'm sure, maybe once or twice. I'm sure, maybe.
How can you know?
I wouldn't lie.
Okay.
I've done that. Like what Dr. Dre says, we not ever forget you, Dre. Forever living.
Okay.
Yeah. I tell you, done that, ate that.
Saka our mame waka wakapfeka amaglass.
This is correct.
Asi correct.
Ukamwana kuti ukamama wakapfeka maglazi.
All the time, of course, but at times or at situations, maybe so I said once or twice, I don't lie.
Yeah.
I don't want to be a liar, I'm not sure. Yeah.
But that's correct. Nofana
Not
ukubisa.
normal. Ukamama kubisa maglazi uenda kumama. Because you can see your...
Listen, Pasiku, Padoka Doka, you know Musangu, you know what I say.
Yeah, it's okay, but but you're talking of during the day.
During the day?
Yeah.
Possible.
So will you be trying to hide from the pussy?
What weird boys talk about? What they chat about?
By putting on the shades, will you be trying to hide from the shit? What do
You want to see me eyes? I'm good to go.
you'll be trying to challenge it?
If I open this for you, you see me eyes, all you women will leave your men and look for a snare. I got good fish eyes.
Fish on me.
I'm a monger.
Fish burger. But you've got how many girlfriends?
Me, none. But I have 3 kids from 3 women. Ganja. One that's 20 years old, she's overseas. I haven't seen the child.
This is your chance and the opportunity to say hi, hello.
Ina, I don't know, wherever you are, please link up with me, man. I need to see my baby girl.
Yes.
He says she has ginger hair. Baby, if you know me, this is your daddy. Your mommy's name's Ina.
Now,
a Bulgarian. She's from Bulgaria. She's from Bulgaria.
It's time to remove the
There's no one like I over here.
That's the real time to remove your chest. Oh, we want the daughter to not
I want the world to see my eyes.
can
I don't
recognize
even
you
know
as
you
serious.
people and you want to know who I am. Who are you?
No, but you're talking to Ina
You're talking to Ina right now.
in Bulgaria.
I'm
Show Ina your
shy.
face.
I'm
Don't be
bushman.
shy.
Show Ina your
You're
face right
still
now.
my spirit.
Don't be shy.
Yeah, let's steal some of this. Now talk to Ina now.
Yeah.
No, I'm serious. You know, Ina, if this is for schism, for real, for wisdom, I need to know where my child is, man, because I have you. And you're 20 years old. I'm your daddy. Okay?
Now, where can Ina
You come to Zimbabwe, come
Where?
to Harare, and
Where
you
exactly?
come look for Conrad.
Where?
Okay.
Conrad who?
Huh?
Brayside.
Where?
Yeah.
Brayside, eh?
Yeah.
Conrad who?
You have my phone number?
Yeah.
0774857087.
Come again.
And the other one is 07370911151.
And looking for who?
I'm looking for Ina. I don't know my baby's name.
Who is Ina?
Ina.
Your wife.
Yeah, she's
That's the first wife now.
the first,
the second
yeah,
wife?
The second. Forget.
She's in the area.
They're in the area.
She's in the area.
The other one's from Mozambique. She's also
In the area.
But I want you.
Which side
first.
of Mozambique?
She's from
Tete.
Beira.
Beira. Oh, I've been in Manica.
I don't want to go to
I passed through Coca-Cola.
Mozambique.
You know
is not
Chiboy?
far. I know. I heard. My spirit travels before my body. You know, I make my spirit go before myself, my flesh.
Would you want to meet the lady in Mozambique?
No, I don't. I
Why?
don't want. No, because she's here. She's a problem.
She's in the area.
She's a problem.
They're all hookworm brains.
Brayside.
They're all scatters, dibby. Suffolks. They're Suffolks.
Yeah, Suffolk.
They're fox and
The
gun.
blood suckers.
Fox and pussy holes. Leaking, dropping ones.
So, this one from Mozambique,
Ina,
she's a
no,
local
I
one.
want Ina. What? I forget your sister name. Severia? What? From Bulgaria. You from Bulgaria, man. I don't know if you still love me, but I love my child. I need to see my child. I don't know.
So where did you meet Ina?
Ina, I met her here. She,
Where?
her father
Whereabouts?
used to do a contract. Came here to Zimbabwe for a contract.
What year was that?
This was...
The child, you remember a child is 20 years old.
Yeah.
So go back 20 years first.
I was 17 years old that time.
Okay.
Yeah, I was 17 years old.
No, your wife.
So which school were you going that time?
Huh?
Or you finished school?
It should be 37. Is it?
Say what?
You're 37.
Yes. I'm 37.
Which primary high school did you go?
I went to Nettleton,
Where's Nettleton?
Mbare.
And secondary?
Secondary,
Morgan.
I went to Mutari Boys.
Right.
I used to bunk school because it was too far.
What do you mean
Sometimes
bank?
wake up late,
You're
bunk,
traveling from
What do you mean bank?
Kurova, Chikoro,
no.
to Skype.
Banking, that's not
Skype.
Gurova. No, banking is not
To
Gurova.
Skype work. You know how you
Listen.
Skype work when you got a hangover?
Yeah.
Banking, you attend some of the lessons.
Yeah.
When you are in geography, you bank. When you are in mathematics, you bank. When you are in history,
I used to like science.
Yeah.
Because the teacher used to make
That's
the
banking.
teacher feel horny in the class.
you want to attend all
Yeah.
subjects.
You used to always sit the front row.
So,
I'm saying, if this is for real, hang on, sorry, hang on.
Yeah, it is
This-
for real.
If this is for real, Ina, I need to know if I can link up with you. I need to see my child, and I know she's looking for. I'm a biological father, and your ball bags. If you're calling my child's calling you daddy. I'm the dada.
What's
I'm
the
the
name of the
OG
child?
dada. I don't know.
don't know.
She must have given her another
A new
name.
name to a new father, otherwise.
I want to call my baby Simone.
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 Boy
Yeah.
Boy or a girl?
Someone.
A girl.
Meaning,
Yeah, and I make rubber stamps.
meaning.
What do you mean rubber stamps?
I make identical. My baby girls, they all look like I am.
I see.
Yeah, they look like I. Serious.
But the one in Mbare is a problem, eh?
No, she's here. All my children look like me, but the mothers here, they're a problem. I'm a
But the
fishmonger.
president,
I make my money, man. I turn green leaves into fish and fish into dry leaves and those dry leaves into money. Yeah.
so at present you are married.
I'm not married.
You're single?
I'm single.
And who's your lover right now?
Who's my lover? My Lord, my Father, and my Savior. No, and I'm not married. I wish I could get married.
Yeah.
I'm 37. I don't know.
Me, I'm not even married too.
Huh?
I'm not even married. I'm 44 years old.
Hey,
I'm on okay, sir.
are we going?
I'm on okay.
Peace.
All right. Thanks very much, sir.
And Jemima, I saw you on Facebook. You're pregnant.
Who?
My English girlfriend.
Yeah.
You the one that broke me up with Ina, and now you go get pregnant with a
Bomba clat.
satanic pussy or
Yeah.
in gland there.
In England.
Holding a skull. What does he represent?
Yeah.
Demonic what?
Yeah.
Rangasi pussy. I tell you, when I come, I take you away and I marry you, woman. I'm still loving you, and I'm coming for you. Jemima, Wonder.
Jemima.
Jane Wonder, yeah.
It's in England.
Yeah, man. She's from Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Yeah, I broke your V, honey. I'm your kingpin. Ha. Better know. I broke your.
Your virginity.
Yeah, I'm your Dan.
Yeah.
I made you feel life, and I
you
made.
have his number?
Now, she got
I
pregnant.
have his number already.
And
Isn't
Magid.
Thank you, Rasta.
One love. McDonald's.
Yes, I.
Ibo. Thanks, Rasta.
Hey, man. Don't kill me.